Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum and a very good day I bid to all. Okay, so this is the drawing for our group. Our group consists of our leader, Adam Daniel bin Effendi, and then all of the members. The first one is Muhammad NAZIRUL HAZIM bin SAFERI, KHAIRUL HAKEEM bin AHMAD AEZUDDIN, AHMAD MAHYUDDIN bin SIRHAN, Muhammad SHAHFEEZAN bin ZINI, and myself, Ariff Iskandar bin Muhammad NAZIM. Here is the logo of a group. We call ourselves the ARKI Construction Group of Engineers. Okay, moving on. We will be looking at the ground floor first. As you can see, this is the plan for our ground floor. Over here is the main entrance. And then people can proceed to the lobby where people can rest over here. Our lobby even have 4 pool tables for people who want to play. Beside here is the musalla. The right side is for the male and the left side is for the female. On the right corner of the building over here is where our server room is stated. This room controls the internet throughout the entire facility. Beside it is the storeroom where people can find any sporting equipments that they want. As you can see over here, this is our cafeteria. This is the space where people can enjoy their meals. Over here is the counter where people can buy their meals. And this is the meal preparation area. Here, a line on the wall is the sinks where people can wash their hands. In the cafeteria, we also have a small mini bar area for students who wants to buy and get themselves any refreshment that they want. The walls here are made of glass so that light can pass through and we can save costs on electricity. People can also enjoy other people playing outside. Alright, over here is our mini mart. This here is the counter, and this here is where you can find any of your favorite snacks and refreshments that you want to enjoy. In the middle of our building, we place a large logo of the university, and stated beside it is the lift where you can access the first and the roof. Also, you can also use the stairs. Over here is our small cyber cafe. We have 8 rows equipped with computer full of any games that you want to play. And this here are sofa with television, which you can find any of the game console that you want. You name it, PS1, PS2, PS3, PS4, PS5, semua ada. Alright, over here is our sick bay, where people can attend to our doctors if they have injured themselves during playing. We even have 3 beds if they want to rest. This large area over here is our multi-purpose hall. Here is the main stage, and down here is the area where any activity can be conducted. For example, you can conduct a gaming competition over here. You can even hold a concert over here if you want. Down here is the lavatory for the female, and up here is for the male. We even provide toilets for the disabled. Next, we are going to move to the first floor. As you can see, this is the plan for the first floor. On the right corner, you will find a gymnasium over here. The equipments provided are such as treadmills. You can find any exercising machines over here, and you can even find the dumbbells and weightlifting equipment over here. Other than that, we also have a changing room, especially for the people who wants to use the gymnasium. Over here is where you can keep your stuff, the locker room. Here is where you can do your business, the toilet, the sinks, and then over here is the shower. On the left side of the building, you can find over here, this is the male toilet, and then this is the female toilet. Oh, I almost forgot. Okay, over here is the lift and the stairs where you can access the first floor from the ground floor. Over here is a small resting area for everyone who wants to maybe take a nap or just take a time off from the gym. And over here is the small office space. We have six individual cubicle spaces. Back here is the pantry where the office workers can fix themselves any meals or any drinks that they want. And behind here is a space where they can conduct any meeting. Alright, on the bottom left corner, you can find our badminton hall. Here we have 3 badminton courts. Also, we have spaces, we have seats for people who wants to maybe people who wants to take a rest or watch their friends play badminton. Next, we'll move on to the roof, which is the second floor, the top floor. Over here we have a helicopter landing pad for maybe for anyone who is maybe lazy to walk to the recreational center. They can go to the app UTP Tompang and then go and hire someone to drive a helicopter over here. And over here on the right side is our solar panel, which provides most of the electrical power for this building. Over here is the right side view of our building. Over here is the main building. This one is the pool, and over here is the changing room for outside, which you will see later. And over here is the left side view of the building. Then here is the front side. Over here you can see the rows of solar panel, and then over here is the helipad, and this is the lift, and behind here is the pool behind the building. Next, this is our YY section, cutting section of the building. As you can see, these are the stairs, the access are the levels, and these are the lifts, and these are the seats inside the badminton hall. And up here, this is the helipad. For the XX section, this is the drawing. As you can see, okay, over here is the helipad, and then these are the compartment where people who use the lift, they will go to the roof via this space. Alright, now let's take a look of our general view site where all of the other courts are. So basically, all of the courts are outdoors. We don't put it inside because you want to cut costs on the building itself. So as you can see here, this one, the highlighted course, this is our jogging track, our open jogging track. Over here we have our FIFA court, FIFA futsal court. We have the basketball court, and over here is the pool with the UTP logo inside. This one is for the adult, and then this one is for people who don't know how to swim. Okay, over here, this semicircle shaped thing is actually the changing room. You can enter via one of the openings and then just register over here, so you can get your keys to the locker room, which is over here and over here. And then when you go inside, this is the space where this is the toilet, and then this is the space where you can have your shower. And inside here, for both male and female, we have our very own sauna. Alright, so this is the overall layout for the site. There are two places where you can actually enter the site. The first one being on the top left here, where people can park their cars over here. And this is the OKU parking space. We minimize the number of the OKU parking space because we expect that none of the OKU, maybe lesser OKU will be coming to this space. And then over here, for all motorcycle users, you can park your motor over here. And for people who are hitching a ride from their friends, they can drop you off over here into the main entrance. Alright, so to give you all a clearer picture on how the building will look, this is our 3D model. Yes. Okay, so I will be giving you all a 360 angle view on the site. As you can see, these are the jogging tracks, and then you can see the basketball court and the futsal court, the parking area. These are the tennis courts. This is the changing room. Over here is the road where people can come using their cars, and then park their cars over here. Outside here is the resting area connected to the cafeteria. Over here is the door. This one is the door where you can access the server room, and then this door is for the locker room, the store. And over here is where the mini mart is located. Up here is where the lift and stairs will be, where people who use the lift and stairs can come out. And for those arriving using the helipad, you guys can the helipad is over here, supposed to be over here, and then the solar panel is over here. And here is also the pool. So I guess you all enjoy our video. Thank you very much.